Good morning. This is Sherry with MadebyHuff, and this morning we're going to embroider this 6T girls pink t-shirt with a mouse applique and then applique lettering. So join me on this video. I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to make sure that I have my everything ready to go and set here. Let's give this a try. Looks good. I'll check one more time just to make sure I have nothing tucked up underneath. Nothing worse than getting done and realizing that you have an arm stitched to the back. Long sleeves works great. Cut the sleeve off, turn it into a short sleeve. Short sleeve, not so well. Anyways, here we go, guys. I hope you enjoy. So what I have done is I trimmed the applique along the tack down line. I got a little close right there, but that's okay. It'll be covered up. So really good tip, make sure that you have really good quality scissors when you're trimming your applique. Is so very important. All right, so now we're gonna go do the finish stitch to get this tacked down, and then we'll do the bow. So we put the tack down stitch was done. I added some pink fabric with little white dots on it, and now we're going to do the final placement stitch on this. Here we go. So now we are done with our mouse applique. I have already rehooped this so that I can go down and do the applique name on it. And so what I'm going to do right now is just check to make sure that the name is going to sit just right below this. So I'm going to run the perimeter on it. There we go. So what I'm looking for when I do this, when I have to do a second hooping, is I want to make sure that this passes right below the edge of the mouse applique. So then I know there's not going to be any overlapping. And I'm going to, this is a font that is a letter font that's an applique. So I am going to do it a little bit different than most because the font that I got, it does one letter at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my blue glitter vinyl on here, and I'm going to leave it through every single phase of the lettering, and then when it is all done, I will cut it out. For me, it just works easier doing it that way, and I think you'll see this. So what I've got is my blue glitter in here, and I'm going to stitch this out. We're going to do one at a time, unfortunately. So a lot of stop and go, but it's really cute in the end when it's all done. So here we go. All right, so all the stitching is done on this now, and I am going to take it off of here and remove the heat vinyl. Then we're going to give it a pressing, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like.